This is what signs of settlement or foundation movement can look like. We have a crack that's somewhat small at the bottom. Further we go up the wall, it's bigger and bigger. Kind of see daylight through here in a few spots. We have a rear patio that's been enclosed for interior space here. We look up towards the ceiling. We can see daylight through that gap, the roof. We've got some moisture damage on the floor below. We have signs the siding has moved all around this window. When you grab some of it here, definitely loose. This is the inside of the window with the loose siding. This is a normal moisture reading on drywall. When we get close to this window here, this is wet, which is not surprising with all that loose siding out there.